Today, we're testing viral car stunts that you see on Instagram and TikTok. Let's recreate them. There's a popular trend on Instagram and TikTok where people get a roll of tape like this and then the car would pull it, and that's what we're going to try and do, and it's hopefully going to unravel really quick. Okay, yeah, so Eric's going to hold a chopstick and I'm hopefully going to drive and it's going to unravel really fast. Okay, this is attempt 1. Hopefully it works first time. You ready?
I'm ready.
3, 2, 1.
No.
Okay, so it broke the first time. We're going to try it again and maybe go a little bit slower. 3, 2, 1. We used the entire roll, so I'd say that is a success. On to the next viral car stunt. Okay, so another trend people do on Instagram and TikTok is they strap fireworks to their cars, and that's what we're going to be doing next. We're on some private land again. Make sure you guys don't do this, and this does comply with YouTube's guidelines. So the plan's to tape this to our car, face it upwards like this. In theory, it should shoot into the sky. So we've just got one for now, and if everything works correctly, we'll do more. So let's go.
Oh my God, I can fucking hear it.
Do you think I should do more?
Yeah, defo strap 2.
I think we should have 3. Okay, so that wasn't enough. So now we've got 3, as you can see right here.
Look at that. Happy 4th of July to my fellow Yanks. They're all firing, all guns blazing. That looks fucking sick. Oh my God. Is he going to be able to make the reverse? He certainly is. He certainly is. Brilliant.
How was that?
Looked fucking well good.
Did it?
Yeah.
Okay, I think that was very successful. So now let's move on to the next viral stunt. The next viral trend we're gonna try is putting cones in the exhaust. I've seen a few people do this, but usually they have a pipe leading to the cones, but we don't have that. Look at that. So as you can see, we've got the new exhaust tips. I don't know why more people don't do mods like this. And now we're gonna install the flame tune and start the car. Give us the flame tune, please. Okay, there we go. Okay, now the flame tune is installed. We're gonna start it and we're gonna see if it makes the car louder. And then we're gonna see if the cones will spit flames. Is it louder?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Right, I'll just do a few normal revs first.
Yeah, rest in peace my eardrums.
Now we'll see if it will spit flames. I'm gonna put it in sport mode. It won't work.
No?
No. Right, I'm gonna drive and try and warm up the car and we'll see if the cones stay in as well. And then we should be able to do the flames. Right, here we go. Let's try the flames.
Oh my God.
What happened?
Oh, fucking hell.
What happened?
You'll have to see it.
Do you see that? There's smoke coming out.
Shit, yeah.
And now let's get into the next viral stunt. Another trend that was on Instagram was getting steel wool, lighting on fire, and then doing a burnout. A lot of people did it on motorbikes, and then some people started doing it with cars. So once you light steel wool, I'll show you what happens. I've got a blowtorch here, and you can see it just sparks. We've put some oil here. When we do a burnout, it should create loads of sparks and hopefully not set my car on fire. Wish me luck. This is the 3rd and final attempt. Another trend you may have seen on Instagram is people using megaphones to speak to people at petrol stations. And pretty much what they do is they pretend to be the person inside of the shop and they'll say something like pump 1 not working. And Eric's gonna go to the front and see if it works.
Pump 1 not working, pump 1 not working.
Okay, we're gonna do it, here we go. We're gonna wait till they get out and pick up the thing.
Pump 7 not working.
Pump 7. She actually... Oh my God, oh my God. I didn't think it would work. We've also saved that on the dash cam. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, I've got a dash cam. Now a lot of the clips recorded in this video, we got it with this dash cam. The Viofo A329. It can record at 4K 60 FPS. Most dash cams that you'll buy from TikTok and AliExpress look like this. However, this Viofo dash cam looks like this. And it has a Sony Starvis 2 chip. It also has an external SSD, Wi-Fi 6, and it's extremely easy to install. And that's very good specs for a dash cam. And again, it has a front-facing one, and I've got my back-facing camera facing me, so I can get my facial expressions. It even has HDR, so it's good quality for anything that happens at night. There's probably been times you've been driving with your friends and something funny's happened, and you didn't get it recorded. But with this dash cam, you can save every funny moment in 4K 60 FPS. Links in the description. And let's get into the rest of the viral car stunts. Okay, I really didn't expect that to work, especially especially first time. And I actually feel pretty bad now. She's not even got out of the car.
I think she's waiting for the car.
Oh yeah, she wasn't waiting for the
In front to move.
Okay, so we've got another victim on pump 7. You can see this person's in a Nissan Micra, and they're getting out of the car now, so we're about to do it. And I think he's on drugs because he's parked in such a weird place.
Pump 7 not working.
No way it worked again. Oh look, there's another victim. We just keep on having victims. The person at the shop's probably so confused why like no one's using pump 7.
Okay, no.
Pump 7 not working.
She got annoyed, did you see her? No. No, wait, you have to wait until she...
Sorry, pump 5 not working.
Look, she's getting annoyed. Right, let's go, man.
Fucking way, man. Look, she's talking to like...
Make sure.
Look, she's going inside, man.
Really?
Yeah, look, she's going inside. Look, she's talking to the fucking... She's gonna see me,
Right,
man.
let's just go, man. That was the funniest crap ever. That last woman, she got so annoyed at the person inside the shop. But I think we should do it one more time because it's just the funniest thing ever. But yeah, I do feel bad, but again, this is like a social experiment. It had to be done, you know?
Pump 1 not working. Excuse me, pump 1 not working.
Yeah, he's right.
You do too.
Sorry, pump 5 not working.
He was like that.
Really?
Yeah. Come on.
Sorry, pump 7 not working either. Only pump 3.
He's so smart.
Really?
He's so annoyed. He's looking at us.
No. Let's just go.
Yeah, look, the other guy's pointing at us.
Okay, that worked really well. We got that last guy as well. Almost 3 times, but then on the 3rd time, some guy snitched. So maybe we'll do that again one day. But let's get on to the next viral stunt. Okay, so you guys may have seen on TikTok and Instagram, people do this thing where the second the lights turn to green, they honk their horn and they say something like the lights aren't gonna get any greener. So as you can see here, we're at some lights and... Come on! We couldn't get their reaction. We need to get someone to like throw their hands out the window or something. Okay, there's another car here. We're gonna prank them, so let's wait till the lights go green. I'm just gonna do a little beep for this one. Okay, look at that. We're at the same lights again. We did a little loop, and now they're gonna get scammed. Maybe I'll... Come on, the lights ain't getting any greener. I feel so bad, man. This is such a scummy thing to do, but I don't want to do this. These are experiments we have to do to see if they work. Okay, this bastard in front just pulled in front of us, so I don't feel bad doing it to him. Okay, that one I do not feel bad for because he did pull out in front of me. So that Instagram stunt doesn't work as good in real life. But let's move on to the next stunt. So for our last viral stunt, we're at McDonald's, as you can see. And that's because we're going to recreate a viral stunt where a guy crashed into a McDonald's directly through the window, like the one over there. So I'm now going to get into my car and drive directly into this window, full speed. Make sure you guys subscribe, and this is the final stunt of the video. I'm going to try and get directly in that window. Right, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god, Ollie.
We begin with breaking news. You're looking at a live picture from Lakewood where a car apparently drove into a McDonald's.